Hello, I'm Pippi, and I'm playing Minecraft until I do these things. Defeat the Ender Dragon, build a good house, get full netherite, defeat the Wither, and get all achievements. But because Minecraft is such a big game, for each of the goals I do, I'm gonna be playing another game. Last stream I did one of those things, which is build a good house. Because I completed one goal, comment what game I should play next. But now I'm just gonna show you some clips from my last live stream. If you want to check out the rest of the clips, go check out my long form video.